Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to this week's special presentation entitled Transform Your Trading with Expert Guidance and Community. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and it's my pleasure to give this presentation this evening. So before we move on, this is important for you to be able to make better decisions in the market. How do you do that? With expert guidance and community. We have a lot of great instructors here that have a vested interest in your ability to successfully make money and do so ongoing. So from that perspective, we're going to talk a little bit about those instructors and what we have to offer to you. So we're going to move on. And the first instructor I want to talk about is our Successful Investor Coaching Group. So all of these instructors that I'm going to talk about have a coaching group, that is the community, to help you to transform your investing. Why is that important? Because now you have a coach. You have someone in your corner to walk you through the ups and the downs of what's going on in the market and keep you abreast of what you need to do. Now, in Successful Investor Coaching with Todd Schaefer, what do? We help investors to seek consistency. We follow a proven system to confidently buy and sell stocks no matter what the market throws at them. And when you look at what Todd does, he puts his live sessions every Thursday between 12 and 1:30 p.m. in the Successful Investor Coaching Group. This is going to be the space where Todd will sit down and answer all the questions, every question that every person that's there has. He makes sure that you go away satisfied knowing that you've been taken care of by a coach who's going to be in your corner to help you to make the right decisions. Again, part of transforming your investing. The next coach I'm going to talk about is the Retirement Coaching Group with Jim Penna. Now, Jim Penna has been around in the market for quite some time, but he is well seasoned in the ability to help you in retirement. And again, as a coach, he's there to answer all of the questions that you may have along the way to make sure that you know what's going on. And it's, from a coaching perspective, he's there, again, to answer all of your questions and to make sure that everybody goes away self-satisfied. Now, what do? We help investors seeking additional strategies to build and manage their portfolios so that they can protect and grow their capital for a secure retirement. And there's a lot of people who are a part of VV Nation who are in that situation right now. You don't want to see your nest egg go away. A lot of things that are going on in the market right now are affecting your retirement. So Jim is going to be here to help you through all of this and navigate all of the volatility that's going in the market to make sure that your nest egg is yours to hold on to. His live sessions are Tuesday, 2 to 3 p.m., and Thursdays, 10:30 to 11:15 a.m. But I also wanted to show you what his portfolio is doing. His portfolio tracking from retirement group 2024, January 2024, all the way up until right now, 57.89% gain overall. And here's the equity curve. Right now in 2025, not a lot going on, but that's part of the plan. He looks from a market timing perspective on when you need to be in the market and what to do. If there's nothing to do, something, it's okay to be in cash. It is. But you'd rather be in cash and hold on to this money than not to be in cash and stand a chance of losing profits at that time, right? Now, next, we have the Swing Trading Coach. That's with Steve Chappell and Jerry D'Ambrosio. Both of those I know very well. Steve Chappell is a mentor of mine here at VectorVest, and Jerry's been around here just a little bit less than I have, but man, has he come along in this whole swing trading approach. What they do, they're going to help investors seeking to boost their gains, all right, by strategically dedicating part of their portfolio to the best chart reading and swing trading techniques. So we start back from Todd. Todd's going to take you through consistency on knowing what to do and how to do it and our indicators and how powerful they are. Jim is going to add on to that to give you understanding on what you need to do to maintain your nest egg. And Steve and Jerry are going to get more into the ability to bolster your portfolio. Now, keep in mind, different types of investors, different types of coaches, depending on what you do. So we're going to help everybody out here. These coaching groups are well-rounded to help every type of investor that's out there. And each investor has its own coach. Now, when you see their live sessions, Tuesday, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., Thursdays, 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. I'm going to take this a step further. Here's his portfolio. There's their portfolio up as the recording of this video, 29.15%. Keep in mind that's towards the end of last year into right now. And given everything that's going on in the market right now, holy smokes, that is a beautiful gain. Swing trading is getting into stocks from a couple of days to a couple of weeks. And again, such a boost in your ability to make money. Now, when you're in a coaching group, why is this so important? Besides people, the community talking to each other in the chat, Jerry will make real-time alerts when things change in the portfolio. That's what a coach is supposed to do. Keep you updated as to what they are doing so that when you come back and look at the next coaching session, you're like, well, where did that stock come from? Or what happened with this stock? He gives you updates on what's going on so that you, as being coached by these two, know exactly what's going on. And it's very, very transparent. But that's what these groups are all about. Let's get to the ultimate retirement solution coach, and that's Ron Wheeler. Ron then adds to all of this and says, all right, let's incorporate options. And he's one of the best people that I know to be able to succinctly drill down into how to trade options and what he does as an addition to still grow your portfolio. We help investors seeking to boost their gains by strategically dedicating part of their portfolio to the best chart reading and fundamentals. Get you into the right stocks at the right time, get you into the right options at the right time. He gives you live updates on what's going on with a lot of the trades that he does is done with the spiders, the SPX calendar spread. You want to learn more about that? You'll learn in this coaching group. Now, I got some results from the 2024 SPX results. Looking at profit loss for the year, $36,747, 36% gain just from this coaching group. The average winner was up about $983. The average loser down about $1,300. Now you sit back and go, man, average loser outweighed the average winner. But you know what's important? Mitigating those losses and taking advantage of those winners. Break down month by month what the portfolio did. Man, August was a great year. September, a great month. September, October, great months. You take advantage of those. And again, then the losers, even though you may have one big loser, the winners outshine the losers because it's not only about getting in at the right time, it's all about getting out at the right time as well. Averaging 3% a month gain on 114 trades. Now, the SPX is not the only thing he does. Combined results with more than just the SPX, 61% win rate, $66,000 gain for the year, 66%. Average loser, about 670. The average winner, about 676. 2 losing months here, but look at these months. January, February, $5,000. March, $11,000, and so on and so forth. 2 losing months, but for the most part, folks, $66,000 gain in that portion. Remember, it's a portion in that portion of your portfolio. So how do you gain access to all of this? Well, we're offering a group coaching programs special, all right? If you take this successful, and you get it for 30 days. 30 days, this gives you an opportunity to try it out, kick the tires, see if it's for you, all right? Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, and Level 4. Successful investor, $9.95 for 30 days. 30-day trial, but then it converts to an annual of $1,295 a year. You get to save $200. Now, if you don't want to get billed for $1,295 within the 30-day time period, listen here. Within the 30-day time period, you call, you cancel, and it's done. Retirement, $49 for a 30-day trial. If you continue with it and keep it, it's $2,495 a year. All right, swing trader, $49 for 30 days. It converts to an annual of $3,495 for the year. Notice that you are getting some nice savings if you do take the year. And the last one, the Ultimate Retirement Solution, $49 trial for 30 days. If you keep it, it converts over to $4,495 a year. Again, all three of these are $500 savings if you keep them. Now, you need to go to www.vectorvest.com/coaching special. Now, in the Ultimate Retirement group, normally you will get access to the Options Pro tool as part of that course, but on the trial, you do not have access to the Options Pro tool. If you decide to keep it for that year, you will get the tool part of your subscription. Another thing, if you're brand new and not a VectorVest subscriber, if you try to go to that link, you will not be able to sign up for any of these courses because you will not be a subscriber to the VectorVest system. But give our product support staff a call. They will take care of that for you and get you on board with us so that you can take any one of these trials. Now, in my mind, if you truly want to know what each and every one of these do, take the Ultimate Retirement Solution because it includes all of these things. And for the 30 days, you get access to the Successful Investor, the Retirement Investor, and the Swing Trader, all for that $49 30-day trial. And then, you know something, if you look at all of them and you decide one is more apt for you or more in your wheelhouse, call in, cancel the trial, and then convert over to one of the other ones that you feel is more in line with your trading style. But I think that take the trial to the Ultimate Retirement, you get access to everything, to all of the instructors, and folks, it'll be life-changing. All right, now, one other thing. As you click on this link, I want you to see what's going on. This is good all the way up until April 21st at 5 p.m. This all goes away then. All right, so please, please, please keep that in mind. Folks, you are getting a chance of a lifetime to see what our coaching groups are all about so that you can make a bona fide decision on which one fits you the best. So with that, folks, I look forward to seeing you there. These groups really can change your life and put you on a solid plan, solid foundation to transform your trading with expert guidance and community. And until the next time, see ya.